In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you can make your very own eye zoom effect that you probably have seen in all over social media like TikTok, Instagram, and so on. This one's actually pretty easy and you could do this for free. By the time I'm posting this video, it's still free. So do it while you can. I don't know if it's gonna be paid later on, but let me show you how it's done. First step is you're gonna go to a website called higgsfield.ai. And once you're here, you could already see on the page, they know that this thing is trending. You're gonna have to make an account or just sign in using like your Gmail, your Apple account if you're on an iPhone. I'm already signed in myself. As you can see right here at the top right, that's my account. I have a free plan. I did not pay for anything. And I believe you only have limited credits until you have to pay. So make sure to do this as accurate as you can. Going back into the front page, we're gonna press on eyes in. And here we're just gonna press on generate. When you get into this page, first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna attach our own image. It could be like a selfie or like a professional photo of yours, as long as your face and your eyes are recognizable. So I'm going to my photo library. For this one, I'm gonna be using this picture right here that I took. Once you have selected your image, you're just gonna upload it to the page. Uploading. Uploaded. This is the most important part, the prompt. So I'm gonna be leaving some prompts in the description of this video for you guys to just copy and paste, because you're gonna want to be as accurate as you can whenever you're doing this. And I have my own prompt ready. I'm gonna paste it in, and look at this prompt, it's so long. And my prompt, I just put a softly lit room sets the scene where a character stands. Okay, I did not read this, I just copy pasted from AI. Their expression is calm and thoughtful, okay? Oh, you might have to change this part where it says rich brown, because I just put that my eyes are like dark brown. So make sure when you're putting the prompt, you tweak it to your own personal features, if that makes sense. Once you have your picture and your prompt ready, just go ahead and press generate. You should get into this page, and it says like it could take like around 47 minutes or sometimes an hour to finish your video. But honestly, for me, I did this earlier just to test it, and it took me like probably only like 5 minutes. So don't trust the numbers. And while we're waiting for our video, let's check the ones that I tested earlier. For my test video, I actually used a different prompt that I found on TikTok, and just the results of it, it was like almost there, but it kind of made my eyes look weird. I don't know, but you could just pause to read. But this is my prompt right here. It's slightly different, but I have no idea why it's so long. I just found it on TikTok. Credits to this person who wrote this, or ChatGPT'd this prompt. But basically, this is what it did to my eye. Like, I mean, I guess it's kind of cool because it's like different colors, but at the same time, I kind of want it to look natural, if that makes sense, but at the same time, kind of like exaggerating the features of my eye color and stuff. So this one is kind of cool, not gonna lie. It really all depends on how you write your prompts. So if you want, make your own prompt or just copy the ones in the description of this video. I'll get back to you guys once this video is finished processing. I don't know how long I went away for, but it looks like our photo's ready. So let's see what we have. Okay. Oh. Wow, that actually looks so cool. There you go, you made your very own. And of course, if you want to save this, just click on download and just press on save video. And that's it. A lot of people on TikTok use like a specific sound for this trend. So if you want that audio, I'm also going to be linking that in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want more tutorials in the future, anything that you're curious about, let me know that in the comments as well. And maybe I could make a guide for that. Time to dip. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.